Hello everyone, it is Walt here once again bringing you one of the 100 ways to motivate yourself. Here we are with part 38 of this series, 38 parts in, and this one's pretty interesting. This one is to wake up on the right side of the bed. And he goes into, like Steve Chandler here is now going into this idea of it's more than just the right side of the bed, it's also the right side of the head, or rather the brain. That the right side of the brain gives us so much energy for things that are emotional, that have our passion, things like that. And as we know from various psychological experiments about being able to test that kind of stuff, that this is very true. And that this has a lot of aspects of the subconscious mind components that are there as well. And what you might refer to there as compared to what you're really consciously aware of when it comes to being logical, mathematical, straightforward, that kind of stuff. And he talks about how you could carry a child easier who's really injured than you could a sack of sand because you would feel that energy, that motivation to do it. And he says that this is really what purpose does. Purpose gets our brain really working together, saying, okay, I have a purpose, I'm striving for to move forward, to do this successfully, and now I'm going to combine it with this other thing that's going to boost that kind of performance. It's going to make things better, it's going to make me happy, it's going to do all that kind of stuff. And then when we really combine our purpose, our strong sense of I'm going to do this is going to work out well, with the fact that you're going to, like, you're working hard at it, and you feel the motivational energy really coming from the right side of the brain to really help you in the process. That's about it for this principle, basically, but yeah, really tap into your emotionality on things. Get your emotions into it as strongly as you can when it comes to desire, your belief that you can achieve it, and really all the Think and Grow Rich kind of 13 steps there. And that really makes a huge difference in actually being able to achieve it. Anyway, that's about it for part 38. I'll see you guys next time with part 39, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.